Hello and welcome to part 7 of 7 of Electrical Principles and Technologies. There are alternative electric energy sources. Tides are one. Tides move water, which can power turbines, which then run generators. When the tide comes in, the water is trapped in large reservoirs and then allowed to flow out past turbines. Wind. This energy is harnessed by large propeller-type blades which turn a shaft connected to a generator. Solar light. Solar cells made from silicone enable the energy from the sun to be transformed using the photoelectric effect into electricity. Batteries. From small portable batteries to rechargeable and most recently to fuel cells, all provide an electric source by using chemical reactions within the cells. Coal is a non-renewable energy source. It cannot be replaced as it is used up. Other fossil fuels are non-renewable as well. The burning of fossil fuels to generate electricity releases fly ash. From the burning of coal, it's carried up the smokestack and released into the atmosphere. Sulfur dioxide, or SO2, causes acid rain. Nitrogen oxides cause air pollution. Carbon dioxide is the cause of global warming. Strip mining techniques remove all plants and animals from a large area of land. Habitat is destroyed and species are destroyed as well. This is how coal is found. Oil and gas wells can often give off poisonous gases. Steam turbines often release warm water into nearby lakes and rivers, causing thermal pollution. Mines and refineries produce nuclear fuel and radioactive waste. Dams, wind farms, and solar cell arrays destroy large areas of ecological habitat. Tidal power plants disrupt fish habitat and other marine life. Energy and the environment. Oil and petroleum. Its environmental impact is refining and consuming produce air, water, and solid waste pollutants. Natural gas produces fewer pollutants than oil and coal and less CO2. Coal produces CO2 and other air, water, and solid waste pollutants. Biomass, including burning wood and organic waste, including societal waste. Burning emits CO2 and other pollutants, possible toxic byproducts from societal wastes, and loss of habitats when trees are harvested and less sustainable tree farms are used. In hydroelectric power production, destruction of farmlands, dislocation of people, loss of habitat, and alternation of stream flows occur. With solar power, so photocells or solothermal cells, technology is in use for remote applications and in non-centralized uses where it is economically competitive with alternatives. It's an unlimited resource that is clean, efficient, safe, and renewable. With geothermal energy, it disrupts natural geyser activity. With wind power, it has aesthetic issues, it needs a lot of land, and it has possible impacts on bird migration. Nuclear fission, the byproduct is highly radioactive and highly toxic. It produces radioactive wastes that have a long lifetime. The disposal solution is technically complex and political. Safety issues in terms of operating a facility with the potential to release radiation to the atmosphere, and the public perception of the problem in terms of radiation. Nuclear fusion, the possibility for water pollution because of radioactivity. Using resources at a rate which can be maintained indefinitely. If sustainability is not achieved, future generations will suffer. A sustainable approach often means a different way of getting what you want. Personal decisions can affect sustainability even if it seems like it's only on a small scale. More technology means more resources are needed to manufacture and operate them, making sustainability more difficult to achieve. Renewable resources can be replenished over and over again. These types of resources include wind energy, solar energy, tidal energy, biomass energy. Geothermal energy, tree harvesting can also be renewed, but it takes a much longer period of time to renew this resource. Conserving energy and non-renewable resources. Fossil fuel reserves are decreasing, but with less reliance on these fuels, we will be able to see a decrease in pollution. Conserving energy can be accomplished a little at a time. Computers revolutionized the way we accomplish many tasks, including writing, calculations, and communications, leading the way to the digital technology era. Electricity and computers. Lasers, photodetectors, and electrical pulses all enable electronic devices to complete the tasks that they are made to do. A computer hard drive uses electrical impulses to record and transmit information by using an aluminum or glass disc with a thin layer of magnetic material that spins at 300 kilometers an hour. The electrical pulses are set to an arm with read and write heads, which are magnetic coils that magnetize spots on the spinning disc. Reading. Magnetic spots induce current in the electromagnetic coil, reproducing ones and zeros in the original signal and are sent to the computer's processor. Writing. Electrical signals are responded to from the computer's processor. Electrical transmission of information. Electrical signals from computer to computer throughout the world makes the storage and transmission of information compact, easy, and cheap. Concerns include access, privacy, safety, misleading or false information, and the information explosion has created other storage, handling, and accessing problems. Search engines may locate some of the information, but they cannot access everything. Computer-based scheduling systems that use artificial intelligence to manufacture thousands of overlapping activities. These are some spin-offs of the National Space Agency, or NASA. A memory short stack is a three-dimensional semiconductor package in which dozens of integrated circuits are stacked one on top of another to form a cube, offering faster communication or computer processing speeds, higher levels of integration, lower power requirements than a conventional chipset, and a dramatic reduction in the size and weight of memory-intensive systems such as medical imaging devices. Software programs that provide countless people with internet access otherwise beyond their grasp, optimized for organizations that have direct internet access. Virtual reality, allowing a user with assistance from advanced technology devices to figuratively project oneself into a computer-generated environment, matching the user's head motion, and when coupled with a stereo viewing device and appropriate software, creates a telepresence experience, so it makes you feel like you're in the computer. Other spin-offs include advanced keyboards, laser surveying, aircraft controls, lightweight compact discs, expert system software, microcomputers, and design graphics. What are the benefits of electrical technologies? The benefits: electrical technologies have improved our standard of living. Most improvements have come as a result of a desire to improve speed, efficiency, or convenience. More technology means more resources are needed to manufacture and operate them, making sustainability even more difficult to achieve. As technology advances, obsolete devices become waste, adding to our problems of waste disposal. Recycling helps reduce the disposal problem, but energy is required for recycling processes, so more electrical energy needs to be produced. Some technologies are too expensive for some countries to use or adopt, leading to isolation and exclusion.